Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essential items so the fix proceeds cleanly. Make sure your OS and GPU drivers are updated. Outdated drivers often break live rendering. Once done, open the Wallpaper app and select the problematic live wallpaper, then stop background programs that hog memory so the wallpaper has resources. Next, check the app's basic settings, render quality, startup behavior, and file path to ensure the wallpaper points to the correct asset. These steps prevent simple causes from wasting time. Act now and proceed. You now tackle the more complex middle steps to restore live behavior. First, reset the app settings or clear its cache. This removes corrupted preferences. Make a backup first so you can revert. If that fails, reinstall the wallpaper application or apply the latest update because file mismatches can stop playback. Also check file and folder permissions. Make sure the app can read the wallpaper assets. Finally, set the preferred GPU for the app, when applicable so rendering uses the correct processor and avoids black screens. You finish by verifying the fix and preparing for troubleshooting if needed. First, load a simple default live wallpaper to confirm rendering functions. If it works, load your original file and adjust quality gradually. Make sure Auto Start is enabled, then reboot to ensure the wallpaper survives startup. If problems continue, collect the app logs and record recent driver or system changes. These clues speed diagnostics. One key tip: roll back the GPU driver to the last known good version before further changes. That often resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.